Good morning. In problem set 3, they have given you in 13th example the activity that rupees 1000 is invested at 10% simple interest amount at the end of every year is an AP, arithmetic progression. If this is an AP, then find amount of the interest after 20 years. And for this, they ask us to complete the activity. So to complete the activity, we will turn that this one is the example from problem set 3, arithmetic progression. 19th means last example. So they had started from here, that simple interest. This formula we have learned right from 7th standard. That formula for simple interest is equal to P into R into N upon 100. Where P stands for the principal amount, which is 1000 here. R stand for rate. Okay. Then which they have given as 10. N stands for the period, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. At last in this example, 20 year. Now they have given this formula. Come on, see again. Simple interest is equal to P into I into N upon 100. So simple interest after 1 year. How will we complete the activity? In place of principal, I substituted 1000 rupees because they have given principal as 1000 rupees. In place of rate, I wrote 10 because rate is 10. Okay. Then in place of N, that I wrote 1 because that N they have given as 1 year upon 100. Now calculate it, that these 2 0 and these 2 0 will get cancelled. So 10 tens will come as 100. 100 into 1 means 100 ones will come as 100. So I wrote here in the first step of the activity 100. Then simple interest after 2 years. So again I use this formula that of 7th standard, 8th standard, that simple interest is equal to P into R into N upon 100. So in place of P I wrote 1000 again. Principal is 1000 rupees. In place of R I wrote 10, but in place of N I substituted 2 because they are saying N is equal to 2 years. Now calculate it. These two zeros will get cancelled. So 10 tens will come as 100. 100 twos will come as 200. So simple interest simple interest after 2 years will come as 200 rupees. Okay. Now simple interest after 3 years, what will be? We have to fulfill this activity. So our formula is simple interest is equal to P into R into N upon 100. So in place of P, may I write here 1000 students? So 1000 into, in place of R, may I write 10? And in place of N, this, may I write this 3? Because they are asking me after 3 years, means N must be equal to 3. So I substituted here 3. Okay. Sorry. Now we will calculate these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros will get cancelled. Okay. 10 tens will come as 100. 3s it will come as 300 rupees. So after simple interest after 3 years, after calculation is coming as 300 rupees. Then what they are asking? This simple interest in this way, if we are calculating after 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Now see that these values will remain as it is. Just write in place of 3, substitute here 4. So these 2 zeros will get cancelled. 10 tens will come as 100. 100 fours will come as 400. So after 4 years, it will come as 400. In this way, after 5 years, come on, all this principle is same, rate is same. So I will substitute here 5. Come on, do it. So these 2 zeros again will get cancelled. 10 tens will come as 100. 100 into 5. That 5 will come as 500. Am I right? In this way, after 6 years, come on, calculate it. In place of P, again I will write 1000. In place of R, I will write 10 only. And in place of N, as they are saying 6 years, I will write here in place of 3, I will write 6. So come on, do it. These 2 zeros cancel. 10 tens will come as 100. 100 into 6 will come as 600. Now they are asking me, so read the sentence. Simple interest after 4 years will come as 400. After 5 years will come as 500. And after 6 years will come as 600. Up to here we had completed the activity which may come for 3 or 4 marks. From this, now they are asking us D. What do you mean by D? May I say D is a common difference? Okay. So, for common difference, how we are calculating that common difference? May I do will come as sorry, 200 minus 100 will come as 100. Do T3 minus T2 because we are doing it not once but thrice. So 3000 T3 minus T2. That means 300 minus 200. That will also come as 100. Do it again because we are doing it thrice. So this one is our T4. T4 minus T3 means 400 minus 300. It will again come as 100. That means 3 times our difference came as 100. Again calculate it. 200 minus 100, 100. 300 minus 200, 100. 400 minus 300, 100. So our common difference which we are taking, difference between consecutive terms, is coming as 100. Remember, calculate it and then write the proper answer. Don't make hurry to fulfill this bracket. Okay? At first calculate. Now what about A also they are asking? So may I say A means T1 means first term. So our first term T1 is coming as 100. T1 means A. So may I write here A is equal to 100. Now they are asking me in activity that amount of simple interest after 20 years. After 20 years means they want T20. So may I have formula for T? That term? Oh yes, I have formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sorry. So again remember, T stands for term, N stands for number, Tn whole is the last term. Then A stands for T1. A means T1 means first term. Again N for number. And D is the common difference which is always constant. So I am substituting now. They want after 20 years, no? Means they want 20 term. So I wrote here T20. In place of N I substituted 20 because they want after 20 years. Is equal to, in place of A, T1. So may I write in place of A means T1 100 plus in place of N I wrote 20 minus 1 in place of D, common difference. Should I write 100? So I wrote here again 100. Now calculate it. Here it will come as 100 plus 20 minus 1 will come as 19. 19 hundreds will come as 1900. So 100 plus 1900 will come as 2000. So in this activity, our last answer is 2000. T20 is equal to 2000. Here in problem set 3, they ask us to complete the activity. Remember, we have to fulfill the blanks. We have to write the blanks, but while writing the blanks, if needs, we have to do calculation also, and then we have to write the proper answer. Okay.